Hey everyone, I'm delighted to be here with you today. My name is Otman. I am founder of Oriono, and I am helping organizations to make the right choice in their mixed reality journey. But first, just to be sure that we are all on the same page around this immersive technology, the acronym, when we say augmented reality, is allowing you to visualize holograms through smartphone, tablet, or even smart glasses. Virtual reality is allowing you to be disconnected from your physical place and be immersed in a fully immersive virtual world. When it comes to mixed reality, is a blending of the physical and the digital world. When you wear a mixed reality headset, you are able to have a crystal clear view of your physical place and see in your field of view hologram with what you can interact hands-free. But why mixed reality is relevant today? For three main reasons. The first one is the hardware maturity. Today, all top players have invested since decades on this mixed reality business, and today they have headsets that are mature enough to be already deployed at scale in the B2B industry. And naturally, we are seeing a growing interest in the B2C industry. And the cost of these headsets are varying between $400 and to $4,000, depending on the audience, on the industry, and on the use case. But you have to keep something in mind, is that these mixed reality headsets are autonomous computer. Their objective is not to replace your smartphone or your computer. You have to see this like a third way to consume data by having hands-free and also by taking into account your surrounding. Okay? The second reason why is the availability of content. Today, there is a growing ecosystem of solution providers that have a ready-to-use application for customer. So today, no matter your use case, no matter your industry, there is a ready-to-use solution that can allow you to deploy a pilot in 2 weeks. And the last is the consumer expectation. We are seeing a growing interest on the global markets, and let's be honest, Apple launch has been an accelerator of this awareness, and consumers are expecting more and more from them, from their loved brands, some immersive experience. I think we are in an iPhone 1 moment. It means that at the beginning, we didn't really know what's the value of having an iPhone 1 or a smartphone or even an app store. So today, brands need to anticipate this need. As mentioned before, mixed reality is changing the way we work, collaborate, train for all industries. I can speak hours about its business impact, but today I have decided to focus on a topic, on an area which interests me particularly, which is the e-commerce industry. So instead of talking about it, let's show you how mixed reality can enhance a consumer experience. So people who know me know that in my wardrobe, I like two things, sneakers and burgundy color. So for this summer, I would like to buy a white sneaker. So basically, I am on our classic website. So here, as you can see, I have already selected two sneakers. So the Air Jordan Low 1 and the Night Court Vision. And in this situation, I have a problem. I have a frustration. I have a question. Which product is the more comfortable? And second, which size should I take? Because now I am wearing an orthopedic sole. I'm sure some of you have already been in this situation. And we have three solutions in this situation. The first is to buy both, test them, and set back the one that I don't like, and having a carbon impact. The second solution is to go on a shop and test the sneakers and losing my time. And the third solution, which is the worst case, is doing nothing. Postpone my buy and never come back again. But now, thanks to mixed reality, we could have a fourth solution, which is the availability to ask for some help. So as a privileged member, I am paying a monthly fees with my loved brands, like on Amazon Prime, etc. So I have a lot of service. And one of these service is I have the ability to ask for help. So I have to click on this button to launch a Spatial Advisor session. I have two choices, start now or plan a session. As I don't want to make you wait, let's start now the session. OK, we are here. Hello, Eric.
Hi, Mr. Adnan.
Thanks for your availability. Eric, listen, I am hesitating between the Jordan Low 1 and the Night Court Vision. But I would like to know which one is the more comfortable, and second, which size should I take now that I have an orthopedic sole? Can you help me with that, please?
For sure. Both are great choices.
Thank you.
You can see it here, by the way, but I don't know if you can see the difference on the sole. They're different size.
OK, so I see that there is a difference, but to be honest with you, it's not really clear for me, and it's a little bit messy behind you.
Yeah, I totally understand. Let me just put my handset on and show you the 3D model. That should be clearer for you.
OK. Let's see this.
We'll be joining the session just in a second.
OK, because your headset is like a computer, so you're able to join a session like you would join on a smartphone or on a computer.
Exactly. So just you'll see me appear in just...
Oh,
here
OK.
you go.
I see you
Now
twice.
you can see my avatar, my special persona, which totally reflects my facial expressions, my hands. So it's better to interact this way, right?
Cool. OK. So
right now, I'm going to start sharing my field of view. So this way you can get to see what I'm looking at, right? Here you go. Can you see my screen?
yes, I can see, but I can also see your mess behind you.
I totally understand. Let's get to a nicer place. What about this one?
OK, now it's better.
Great. So we were discussing about the difference on the sole of these two sneakers.
Yep.
Air Jordan Low at the left, Curve Vision at the right.
OK.
Can you see better the difference now?
OK, yes, I can see better, but I think that I can see the difference of the size, yes, OK.
Okay,
But
great.
I'm not fully convinced by that.
So why don't we take a look into the sole in detail?
OK, so the shoes is made by this 9 part. OK, so let's now
Exactly.
focus on the one that interests me the most.
Yeah, the comfort comes from here, actually. So you can see the difference on the comfort for the sole. In this case, the Nike Air Jordan Low, you're going to find 4 different layers on the sole. So that's going to give you a much more comfort day-to-day use. Regarding the Curve Vision, you will only find 3 of these layers. So that's where you get the difference on the comfort.
OK, so if I'm looking for the most comfortable shoes, I have to go with the Air Jordan 1 Low. OK, and what about
For
the
sure.
size? Which size should I take?
So for the size, I will say that in this case, if you go with the Air Jordan, you should have one size over,
Okay.
meaning that it's going to be 45.
OK. OK, thank you for your time. I know which one I will choose now. Let's have a
Great.
break here. So what happened? I was hesitating between 2 models. An advisor were available remotely. He was able to leverage the potential of 3D to make visible the invisible. And me, as a consumer, it was more clear for me why I should choose these products. And all of this, me as a consumer, didn't need to have any headset or anything, only a computer. And for the other side, the employee just needed to have a mixed reality headset and the 3D asset that he have. That's it. But I'm quite frustrated here because I was only spectator of this consumer experience. So let's level up this demonstration and try to be actor of this session. OK. So here, just to explain you, I have shared my field of view with you, so as you can see what I see, right? And I have joined the holographic session with Eric, that is just here. Hello, Eric.
Hi, Mr. Adnan. Nice to find you back.
Happy to join you in this session. So I can see the exposed view of the sneakers that you showed me. So I am able to see it by myself, by hands-free. Okay?
Yes.
I am able also to see the Jordan Low 1 and all of its details. And I can also see something that I didn't see on the website is on the front. So there is the Jumpman logo and the number 23.
Yeah, that's great. You can see all the details. So, do you know, by the way, the history behind that logo?
No, I don't know the story behind this logo.
So, why don't we take a look into the story behind that?
Okay, let's do so.
So, in order to do that, why don't you join me just in the moon?
To join you in the moon.
Exactly.
Wow. Okay.
Are you with me in the moon?
Now I'm with you in the moon.
Amazing. So, in this picture, originally in 1984, Life magazine organized a photo shooting in order to present USA team for the Olympic Games.
Okay.
This picture of Michael Jordan has been released where we see him soaring towards the basket.
Okay.
Wearing a pair of New Balance shoes for the fun, for the fact, sorry. Actually, Nike decided to actually go with this new photo in order to represent better Jordan. So you can see here the skyline of Chicago.
Yes.
Same basket, almost the same position, but the main difference here is that he is on outstretched arm.
Okay.
So they revisited this one, and that's where the Jumpman came from. So this is the final logo that you'll find in every
Okay.
Air Jordan product. Would you like to take a look into this video of an iconic dunk moment?
Let's see the video. Okay, so this is the historical moments, the
Exactly.
famous dunk of Michael Jordan.
So right here, we can see that the Jumpman is a source of inspiration. Indeed, the logo embodies value of excellence and determination. Also, coupled with a sense of elegance and a touch of mystery. These elements perfectly reflect the personality of Michael Jordan. And as you can see, Jordan jumps like there's no gravity, like he was at the moon.
Okay. I can understand better now the value of Nike and Michael Jordan, and I am more than ever motivated to buy this Jordan Low 1. Great,
got
thank
it.
you. And I have another question for you. Is it possible to custom this Jordan?
Absolutely. Recently, we have introduced the ability to generate a custom pair of shoes with AI. So here, we can find your last orders, and I can actually see that you really hate burgundy color, isn't it?
Indeed, you got me. I really like the burgundy color. So this is my account that you are sharing. Okay.
Exactly.
Indeed. Okay, you know me well.
And then, why don't we try together to generate your unique pair of sneakers?
Okay, so you give me the availability to generate my own sneakers. Okay, let's do so. So I have to click here.
Yeah, you see the AI Gen
Okay.
button, then you just click it, and it will start generating your model. So right now, you should be able to see your custom pair of sneakers.
Okay, I can see it.
So you can find all the different details that the AI has generated for you, like the burgundy sole with the Nike swoosh, the interior that you can see from here as well, and also the laces. And you can even find back your 23 number that you like at the beginning.
Okay, I can see it. Okay, so these sneakers has been generated thanks to GenAI based on my previous orders.
Exactly.
Okay, GenAI know me very well because I love this one.
Amazing.
Perfect. So I'm okay. I would like to buy it. How should I proceed now?
Um, you, but before doing so, there's just one more thing.
One more thing. Okay.
And as a privileged member, we do have a family offer for you. Would you like to take a look into that? Would you like more details?
Let's see this family offer. Okay. Okay, so, so this is a family offer with my shoes that I have just customized, and another one which is a family offer that my wife would love for her anniversary, for her birthday. So it's okay. That is okay. So I will leverage this family offer. And how should what should I do to proceed to the payment? Should I take off my headset and go on my computer?
Oh, not at all. You just have to click on the confirm order button, and then we will leverage Optic ID to confirm your order by scanning your eye, and that's a very secure way to pay.
Okay, it's done. Can't wait to get it in 2 days.
Amazing.
Thank you, Eric.
Nice.
See you.
Glad to help.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Whew. Let me just continue. Okay, so what happened here? The demonstration that we have just made here was around sneakers, but we can easily imagine any kind of 3D asset. It can be cars, it can be motors, it can be handbags, it can be also furniture in your at home. And for the brands, we see four major value for this solution. The first one, this solution is allowing you to build intimacy with your customer, as you can see here. Why? Because you are literally in the living room of your customer. So it's another way to build this relationship and build this intimacy. And also, as you have seen at the beginning, the employee has access to my previous order, so he was connected on the customer relationship management, so he was able to know more about me and increase all the information, valuable information he could get to suggest me a better services. So this is also one of the value of this solution. The second is the cross-selling. If I were on the website, maybe I would not be encouraged to buy this, to leverage this family offer, because we were on a human relation, which is really key, and the fact that the persona was a human rendering was really valuable for me. And the second is infuse emotion. I was literally on the moon, and for the customer, it was a way to better explain all the storytelling behind the brands, and I was more immersed in this experience. And also, I forget that I had a headset, because it was really natural for me, this interaction, and the sound was also spatialized, so all senses were activated to feel this emotion that I could not feel on my website or on my smartphone. And last, it's also reduced the carbon footprint, because the employee, the brands, don't need to send back a product. And for the customers, so this demonstration has been made in two parts. The first part, only the employee needed to have a mixed reality headset. For the second part, it was more a vision, a projection, because today, this mixed reality headset is not aimed to be deployed at scale for this version, but it's important for the brand to anticipate today the launch of this new B2C headset that will arrive. But for the customer, it's to be assisted by a human advisor at home, which is really, really key in the human interaction for this. Second, for the customer, it's also to leverage the full potential of 3D. I was able to make visible the invisible, and also we could easily imagine plugging this solution with a classic smartphone, and the employee could send the 3D version of the asset on the smartphone of the customer, so as he's able to see with his smartphone at home the rendering of this 3D model. So this is something that is simple to integrate. Third value is to save time in my purchase journey. And last one is to be immersed in a customer experience at home. So that's it for today about this demonstration. You understood my main objective of this session is to share with you our vision of what could be the future of e-commerce when a brand will leverage mixed reality. And I hope it will be sooner than later reality for you. So I would like to ask Eric, so my spatial advisor who was behind the scene here, to join me on stage for his time, and thank you for your time.
All right. Yeah.
First of all, where are you guys from? Where are you based?
Paris.
You're based
I'm
in
based
Paris?
in Paris, yes, and
Okay.
I'm founder of Oriono.
So it's a French solution?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
it's a definitely French
Okay.
solution. We are both together created.
Okay.
Exactly.
And what inspired you to create this, or to get involved with this, or to start this ball rolling? Because it's not actually, I mean, this is not quite, it's a vision of something,
Yes.
but it's not a prototype. It's not something
Because
that
we
you can
need a
actually employ.
vision to make it a reality.
Okay, okay.
So that's why I decided to create, because this is a disruptive technology
Yeah.
that is changing the way we work, collaborate, train, etc. And
Okay.
people don't necessarily understand this technology because it's new.
Yeah.
So the audience needs to see something to understand it. So that's why we were thinking how to make it concrete and real. And as we are both sneaker lovers, we would love to have this kind of
Okay,
experience.
all right. Okay.
And this was an actual use case.
And it
because-
was an actual use case.
Okay,
Because he
okay.
actually wears orthopedic sole, and I was asking for comfort to the advisors.
Okay.
Yes.
So you're both sneaker fans. All right,
Yeah.
I hear you. All right, so basically the idea is you have an idea, you create it, a version of it, even if it's not a workable prototype yet, but you say,
Yes.
okay, we see what it is, and now what's next? Are you looking for people to,
What's
to,
next
to
is,
throw money at
we
you?
can easily
invest?
we can easily connect this solution with CRM solution.
Okay.
Because our ambition of Spatial Advisor is to be a bridge between the website and the spatial website. I don't know how we will name this,
Yeah.
but it will be a way to augment our website, basically.
So is that partners or investors? What are you looking for?
I'm looking for investors and also customers that would like to launch a pilot on this. Because it's easy to integrate for the first step, it's easy to
Okay.
integrate, and even for the seconds, that because we can imagine an exclusive experience for VIP in the shop. For example, a VIP wants to buy a watch, and we give him the opportunity to speak with the craftsman, the one who are building the watch in another country, like with the feeling of presence. So this is kind of immersive experience and exclusive experience that could bring value to customers, basically.
Okay. Do you envision a version of it without the headset?
It depends on the headset. Today we are depending on the headset. Today the Apple Vision Pro is the one that fits to our need regarding this.
Yeah.
And we don't know what will happen tomorrow with other headsets, but we could easily connect this software to other headset, other technologies.
Yeah, and the first part of it, it's available on mobile devices.
yes.
So you can see a
Indeed.
configurator showing, for instance, the sneaker on the floor,
Yeah.
and then you get to see that on your mobile.
Yes,
Okay.
indeed.
All right, well, listen, there's 10 seconds left, so, gentlemen, ladies
you.
and gentlemen, Oriono.